By nature, I am quite an introvert person, and it took me almost 3 years to present my Parichay to this gathering. But nevertheless, better late than never. Also, my thanks to Kailash sir. I attended his training programs and got inspired to increase my visibility. Thank you, sir. So, let me start with my Parichay. So, my personal information, my name is Prashant Upasani. My spouse name is Kanchan. She has done her BSc DMLT from GMC Nagpur and currently working in super specialty hospital. My daughter is Sanika. She is 23 years old. She has recently completed her BR from Pune, and she has got admitted for Masters in Building Engineering and Management at STA Delhi. My son is Sani, he is 20 years old. He is studying in third year of dual degree program in Industrial Systems and Management at IIT Kharagpur. Next. My personal information, I was born on 5th of March 1969 at a place Amalner in district Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Basically, Amalner is a karmabhumi of great author Sani Gurji, who has written Sham Chiai in Marathi. My hobbies are going on road trips. Previous to this. Previous. Yes, continue. Next. My hobbies are going on road trips, playing sports. I play badminton from last 17 years. I played cricket from my school and team as well as my VRC team. And activities and topics of interest. I like farming, whistling, listening to songs. Basically, I am a first generation farmer and go to farm every Sunday. By visiting farm, I regenerate myself to work 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. for following 6 days. You can see few photographs, whistling and having a good time at farm. Next. Next slide. Name Associated Spans. About my education qualification, I have done SSC in 1984 from CP and Mera Ravinkar School. Then I have done my HSC from Hadas Junior College in 1986. On the basis of my HSC results, I was sure of getting admission in VRC as well as GMC Nagpur. Then my father showed my Kundali horoscope to his astrologer friend, and on his advice, I joined VRC. Then I sold my GMC admission form costing 20 rupees to my friend, who went on to become a doctor. Then I did my civil engineering from VRC. I completed in 1990. On completion of my graduation, I decided to have a consultancy firm with all building construction solutions under one roof. Accordingly, I started acquiring further qualification and experience. I started with my partnership firm Span Associates with my VRC friend. Later, my friend shifted to Nasik, and I flipped the name of my firm, and I started Associated Spans as my firm, which is continuing. I'm again a first generation entrepreneur and declined a government job as assistant engineer in MIDC to pursue my entrepreneurial goals. As I said, I completed my MTech in structures in the year 99. Then I completed my graduate diploma in project management from Nikmar, Pune in 2001. During this period, I was also acquiring technical knowledge. I was sure that for doing better in structural designing, I should have at least 10 years of experience. So, right after graduation, I joined an architecture firm, Kalpak Creations. Then, after 3 years of working, I joined Reva Environmental Systems Private Limited, a turnkey environmental engineering solutions company. There I worked for 4 years. And after that, I worked with Lars Enviro Private Limited, again a turnkey environmental engineering company for 4 years. So, 3 plus 4 plus 4, that is 11 years of experience. I thought it is good enough for me to jump into a full-fledged entrepreneurship. I started this associate span in 2001. So till date I have an experience of 32 years. I issued my first drawing as a structural designer on 3rd of November 1991. I am going to complete 30 minutes of that. My skills are timely delivering technically sound, optimized and meticulously designed engineering solutions using latest software without compromising the course of practice. Next. About socials and networks, I am a proud Sampark Maharana Pratap Sampark member. I am a member of Indian Congress Institute Nagpur chapter. I am an executive member of Association of Licensed Engineers Nagpur chapter. I am an executive member of Association of Consulting Civil Engineers Nagpur chapter, and I was secretary for the term 2019 to 2021. I am a member of Institution of Engineers Nagpur chapter. I am also a member of Indian Council of India. Regarding communities, I am a vice president of Nagpur-based NGO Sushti Parivan Mandal, an executive member of Priyat Vidyalaya Dantoli, a 100+ year old school. I am an active member of School Alumni Association and also my VRC Alumni Association of my batch. Owning a house is a dream for everybody. Our beloved PM has declared a mission for housing for all. I wish to fulfill the dream of many more fellow citizens by rendering my services at most optimum solution. About few accomplishments, I was a designer for worldwide funded leachate treatment plant of Kampala Municipal Corporation, capital city of Uganda. About some success stories, I am a part of PMAY project at Sri Nagpur, spread over 25 acres, consisting of more than 1,500 apartments in 11 buildings of more than 10 stories. I am a structural designer to Reliance Industries Township project at Nagpur, Thane, Maharashtra, consisting of 10 different types of buildings. My major clients are Higher Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited, and I also think that old housing societies which are thinking of redevelopment would be my major clients. I would go to last slide. My best 6 contact business partners would be architects, builders, contractors, industrialists, interior designers, and building material suppliers. My memory book is You Dream, We Design. Thank you.